So now on page number 136 and 137, it covers further story, telling that how magic worked for these girls when they reached for the exams the next day. At first, they were standing with other girls just before the exams, and they disclosed how their cousin made a mischief with them and predicted such and such questions for their English and geography papers. Anyway, now the bell rang and they went into the exams room. When they got their English language paper, they couldn't believe that it contained the very same questions that were told in advance by their cousin Clive. And there was the life and works of William Cooper and Celtic words. So these Celtic words, this word in itself bears two different pronunciations. It is pronounced Celtic in British English and Celtic in American English. So anyway, these two questions, the life and works of William Cooper and these Celtic or Celtic words in English languages. So these questions were there in the English language paper. So anyway, they were surprised and had a great sigh of relief. They looked at each other so surprisingly that the teacher on duty had to stop them from seeing eye to eye. At last, the paper got over, and now the next paper of geography was in their hands, and this time they were even more surprised and were not able to control themselves. They looked at each other with being so excited that almost everybody noticed in the exams room and got this impression that Mervis and Merle already knew about these questions. When they finished their papers and came out, they were too happy, greeting each other, and their faces were shining because of the excitement over the magical prediction that was done by their cousin Clive. But when they came back after lunch, they found an anonymous, means bearing no name at all. So they found an anonymous note marked urgent on their desk, asking them to be available for an important meeting at 4 p.m. at Boarder's sitting room. And now the mystery starts, and they are going to face unexpected, intriguing, unsolved, puzzling problem for them.